Today we're going to show you a simple step-by-step guide to installing apps on your Android TV. Whether you're looking to add your favorite streaming service or just trying to explore new apps, we've got you covered. So grab your remote, sit back, and let's get started. Step 1. Connect your TV to the internet. First things first. Before you can download any apps, you'll need to make sure your smart TV is connected to the internet. Using your remote, go to the Settings menu and select Network or Internet. From here, choose your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Once you're connected, you're ready to start downloading apps. Step 2. Access the App Store. Next, you'll want to find your TV's App Store. This could be called the App Store or something similar depending on the year of your TV. You'll usually find it on your home screen or by pressing the Smart Hub button on your remote. Once you're inside the App Store, you'll be able to browse through thousands of apps designed for your smart TV. Step 3. Search for an app. To make things easier, you can search for the specific app you want to download. Using your remote, navigate to the search icon and type in the name of the app, whether it's Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, or even YouTube. After typing the app's name, click on it when it appears in the search results. Step 4. Download and install the app. Once you've found the app, you'll see an Install or Download button. Select that, and the app will start downloading to your TV. Once the download is complete, the app will automatically install and be ready to use. You'll find it on your home screen or app menu. Step 5. Launch the app. Now that the app is installed, you can launch it by selecting its icon from your home screen or app library. The first time you open it, you may need to sign into your account, like your Netflix or YouTube login. And that's it. You've successfully installed an app on your smart TV, and now you can start streaming, watching, or browsing. Bonus tip: organizing your apps. One quick tip: if you have a lot of apps, you can organize them on your home screen to make them easier to access. Simply select the app, press and hold the OK button on your remote, and move it around to your preferred spot. This helps keep everything tidy and puts your favorite apps front and center. And there you have it. Installing apps on your smart TV is quick and easy. Thanks for watching this step-by-step guide. If you found this helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and how-to videos. Let me know in the comments what apps you're downloading next, and I'll see you in the next video.